All right, welcome back, everybody. And right now, I know it's the end of the year, so I know it's the perfect time to talk about the Navy Federal Credit Union credit card offers that are out there right now and the opportunities that you have with Navy Federal and many other banks. You guys know this is the time when I usually talk about Navy Federal because this is when I open my account. This is when I applied for my first card. And therefore, this is the time where I'm looking at doing my credit limit increases and things of that nature and telling you guys what I think is the best move right now. So, if you're someone who's been subscribed to the channel for a while, make sure that you're checking out this Navy Federal credit limit increase. The reason I'm saying so is because I've talked to a few different people, and right now, Navy Federal has been pretty lenient on credit limit increases, giving out increases anywhere from 1,500 to $5,000 that I've heard of personally. And you guys know the process for getting these credit limit increases is pretty simple. Make sure that you pay your card on time. That way, your payment history is positive with Navy Federal. I like to pay early. It does not get something that you have to do. However, I always like to pay my issuers early and, if possible, pay them multiple times throughout the month because credit card issuers like to see that you're using those cards as well as see that you're paying them back. Keep a low utilization on your Navy Federal cards, especially because one of the main factors for getting approved for an increase with Navy Federal is that low utilization. They want to see that you're going to keep those cards paid down if they're going to give you those high limits. I tell everyone all the time, go within your means. Yes, use the card. Yes, leverage the card. Yes, build off of these cards and grow off of these high limit cards. However, do not go out and max these cards out, because when you max these cards out, now you're causing yourself more grief than anything, because you're going to have harder times getting future increases. So therefore, it's going to make it harder when you're trying to actually build up. So be very careful about that with Navy Federal and keeping your utilization low. I always like to recommend that you use the card as frequently as possible. Like I said, with frequent use and low utilization, you're bound to get an increase. But one thing I can tell you all is with Navy Federal, you do not have to be utilizing these cards in order to get increases. The next thing, of course, is verifiable income. And that is basically just ensuring that the income you put on that application you can verify. That is important because if you're able to verify your income, then the banks are going to be more apt to lend to you because they're going to see that opportunity in um, keeping you as a customer and knowing that you're going to pay them and that you're not just someone trying to cheat the system. Now, of course, I also recommend that you guys space your applications out um, between 3 and 6 months. So if you've been spacing them out on 3, 6, or 4 month intervals, then of course you're going to be coming up on your fourth, third, or second credit limit increase. So that's another reason why this is a good time to do it, because it's easy to stay on track if you apply for your credit limit increases at certain times of the year. And now, the other reasons why right now in December is the best time to apply for a credit limit increase is because it's the end of the year. Therefore, it's holiday time. People are doing traveling, people are shopping. And therefore, by the banks knowing this, they know that if they give you an increase, you're more likely to use their card. Therefore, they're more apt to give you an increase right now than any time in the year because they're aware that this is the time to gain customers and gain loyalty by treating them well. So, with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one.